Hey guys, talking to you today about a random misfire on a 2018 Ford 3.5 EcoBoost. So, in the past, I've had this truck a little while. I actually love it, runs great usually, but I got random misfires a while back, so I put Champion spark plugs in it, and the plug went bad right away, started arcing. So if you get random misfires, do not, I repeat, do not run anything except a Motocraft spark plug. I'm going to try to see if I can use this spark plug. So I ran a Denso, they're racing plugs, and they're usually really good. But if you can look here, you will see where it's brown right around the edge, and you actually see little arc marks. So that plug right there, you can see it good. That plug is bad, and it arcs, and it will cause a misfire. That plug is not even 2 months old. And I talked to a friend of mine who's a mechanic, and he said that the amount of heat, here's the Motocraft plug, and it's actually a little bit deeper too. It actually runs a little bit deeper into the cylinder, which probably helps it to run better. It's iridium. They cost a little bit, but I'm telling you 100% do not run anything except Motocraft spark plugs. I tried Champion. They literally broke the porcelain and were arcing right away. These Densos, and Denso makes a great plug usually, but the Ford EcoBoost apparently puts out a lot of heat, and the turbo engine, and it does not like any other spark plug. So guys, if you're having a random misfire, get a set of Motocraft spark plugs and stick with them, and you'll probably be fine.